I don't say I miss my childhood. The atmosphere which I got in my boarding school, of course, a disciplined life that we learn is much, much better.
From the quiet town of Safido, Haryana, Satish Garg dreamed of healing and saving lives as a doctor. But destiny had a different plan. Born into a family rooted in rice trading, Satish learned the value of hard work and resilience from his father.
I did my commerce education, and then I wanted to study further, but my family wanted me here, and they were putting up this industry, which was the first one in our family. So I joined this in 1977, and it was a new challenge for me.
Faced with challenges and lean years, their commitment to discipline and continuous learning transformed the family business.
One of our gurus was there. He advised us, you make sure that not a single worker feels you are being cheated here or you have not paid his dues, because your family name is attached to this organization. And even one person says bad about the organization, it goes a long way. My job starts when my customer says no. Similarly, his job starts when I say no. Listen, understand, then you will be understood.
Today, Sadhu Forging stands as a trusted name, supplying major automotive, agricultural, and construction manufacturers, proof that ambition, responsibility, and perseverance can forge an industrial legacy.